Hi, I'm Bryan Alltop. I'm a Iteration Manager Competency Leader for Nationwide Insurance and the RTC Asset Owner. So we began on a journey last year to implement a rational team concert across about 30 different teams. We got about 500 users. We did it in about 6 months. The challenge was we had 5 or 6 different applications that we used. So we had all of these tools being used across the organization. We had no way to be able to pull the information together or look at it as a single view or from an organizational perspective. So as we ended up pulling teams together, different agile teams together within an organization, we actually had to move them from a process perspective, and we needed a tool in order to be able to help standardize and adopt and drive that adoption of process. RTC really did fit that bill. What we ended up doing was we implemented the work item management and the agile planning components of RTC, and it gave us the ability to do some long-term planning and short-term planning that agile and Scrum methodologies implement. And it became very easy to start seeing how work item management was really helping the teams understand the work that is being asked of the team, and then they get a chance to plan it for each of the iterations. In order to get them to the point to where they were able to use this tool, we wanted to provide a way for them to get data back out of it. And so we started creating multiple reports, and we created burn downs and burn ups and custom team velocities, cumulative flows, and this gave real-time information back to the team so that they were able to really make decisions and react in real time for themselves to be able to meet the commitments that they made within the iteration. So with that, we started off a plan to go down and support the projects that we're supporting or the stakeholders that we're supporting. We actually built out 4 more different reports giving visibility into the work that the project teams were asking each of our teams to do. And so with that, we started to get a broader usage base out of it. And so now not only are we benefiting the teams and their work item management, we're benefiting the projects and having visibility into the work that they're asking their teams to do. And instead of having a iteration manager or scrum master provide a weekly status, we're able to build dashboards and wikis to push the information back out to the project teams. And so they don't have to waste time coming down and waiting for a status report. They can actually see real-time information on a daily basis as opposed to waiting for a week or a bi-weekly report. Tremendous benefit across the organization as a whole.